now says the bank has never had any banking relationship with deported Turkish national Harun Aydin. Warui on Wednesday told the National Assembly's Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning that the bank has never advanced any credit facility to Aydin. The inquiry follows claims by Deputy President William Ruto that he helped the investor secure 15 billion shillings from Equity Bank.
Its name over claims that it extended credit to Turkish businessman Harun Aydin. While appearing before the National Assembly Committee on Finance and Planning on Wednesday, Equity Bank Managing Director Gerald Warui said he is unaware of any transaction between the bank and the deported Turkish national.
The relationship between Equity Bank, Kenya Limited, and the Day Group. Is there any facility that has been advanced to this particular group? Is it to the effect of 15 billion that we were told about on that particular phone call? Is it true that these accounts of this particular company were frozen by the Financial Intelligence Authority of Uganda? Of course, on suspicion of money laundering. So I just wanted to make that question to you and
not lend such an amount of money to Ugandan subsidiary. I think that's what I wanted to mention. And again, the name, the Turkish person, he has never had an account in Kenya, in our Equity Bank Kenya.
Mr. Aydin was a stranger to us, like as he was to everyone else. So we had nothing to say about him because we do not know him.
The inquiry by Parliament follows claim by Deputy President William Ruto on August 4th that he had helped Aydin secure a 15 billion shilling loan from Equity Bank.
Yule mwegezaji wa pale wa hiyo kiwanda alikuja kwa ofisi hii mahali wewe umeketi. Karibu miaka miwili iliyopita. Akaniuliza, tafadhali natafuta vile naweza kupatana na Equity Bank. Kwa sababu nataka wanisaidie kufanya ile coordination ya vile nitapata pesa ya kuegeza. Mimi nikachukua simu, nikapigia simu Equity Bank, nikawaambia kuna mmoja wetu wa kutoka East Africa aliye hapa. Mko na branch Uganda. Msaidieni huyu mtu kama anaweza kufanya hiyo biashara anatafuta. Unanielewa? So wakati sasa huyo mtu alifaulu, akapata pesa shilingi bilioni 15 za Kenya, 150 million US dollars. Akaenda akajenga hiyo kiwanda.
Questions of whether the bank makes loans on the basis of phone calls, the answer is no. There is a deliberate process that is followed in line with the central bank's prudential guidelines and in line with internal policies and procedures.
Equity Managing Director Gerald Warui told members of Parliament that the bank had no customer by the name Harun Aydin and that at no point was he ever advanced the credit facility by the bank.
And I want to say, yes, Day is our customer in Uganda. That one I don't want to deny. I also want to mention that in terms of lending, we have not lent the 15 billion shillings to any of those two customers in Uganda.
Equity Bank officials denied knowledge of money laundering links to a Ugandan pharmaceutical company linked to Aydin.
As to Uganda, Madam Chair, Uganda cannot be able to give a loan of such an amount. And in that case, if they want to, they are sigo obliga, that is called, the amount they can lend to any individual customer is capped, and is capped to a limit of about 2.2 billion, 2.3 billion. That is the much they can lend because of the capital requirements.
Reporting for Prime Edition, I'm Jackie Wambiru.